graph g of x equals cos x on 0 pi. All right, let's do that. Let's do that right now. Let's do it in red. Cos x starts up here at 0, 1. I'm going to pi. So remember, the period of cos x is 2. So you kind of go like this. Okay, and so since 2 pi is my period, pi is where I would bottom out. And I want to go to pi. So I'm going to cross the x-axis here. I'm going to bottom out at -1. I'm going to leave that open because I'm not allowed to include it. And I'm going to try to draw a wave like that. Okay, that's my cos. Use that graph to graph G inverse as a reflection over the x equal y axis. Okay, well, I am not good at looking at this information and just trying to pretend that there is a mirror image there. That's not my thing. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I have 3 key points here that I'm going to try to spin around. One of my key points is 0, 1. Now, the inverse and the regular problem, when you try to take the regular problem and turn the inverse, you flip the inverse. So my 3 points that I noticed from the original problem were 0, 1, pi over 2, 0, and pi, -1. So if I were to graph the inverse in blue, I can graph the points 0, 1, 0, pi over 2. Nope. Yep. Nope. I knew something wasn't right there. 1, 0. I was supposed to flip them and I didn't. Shame on me. 0 pi over 2 and -1 pi. Okay, so let's try to do that. Do I have the space for it? Well, I'm going to force it if I don't. Pi over 4, pi over 2 is like 1.5. So pi over 4, I believe, is like 0.7 something. So we'll say 1 is right there. So 1, 0 is going to live right there. 0 pi over 2, pi is 3.14. So half of a pi is like 1.6-ish. So we'll put you like right around here. Okay, and -1 pi. -1 is going to be like right there. So -1 pi is going to be up here, and that's technically going to be a circle. So you will look like you. If I knew how to draw, which I don't. So we'll do a little scribbly thing so it looks okay. But there you have it. That's what my inverse cosine is going to look like. And I used my mirror image and the fact that these guys flip-flop as my guide. You know, Jimmy the Cricket says use your conscience be your guide, but inverses do the job too. Hee hee, like and subscribe.